I think someone's excited.
I am.
Why?
Finally, because we're in Chicago.
Oh, I thought it was because of the Camaro. But...
Well, not too. Always, you know. This is crazy. Right now we're here in Chicago at the Millennium Park and it's so busy, like super busy. I'm gonna show you right now.
Alright, now Trump sleeping down a half a minute.
I feel we haven't recorded anything. Like we have the mic now and we haven't recorded anything. So we are, I can say, in the middle of Chicago. That's pretty cool because that's the river over there, and we're staying at a hotel, and we have this awesome, beautiful river view. Oh, so cute. So I think what we're gonna do.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, you can see it, the dog. I think what we're gonna do right now is going and get the deep dish pizza. We're trying really hard with this name. What is the name again? Can you pronounce it?
Pequod's. We are at Pequod's.
Is that the name of it? Pequod's.
Pequod's Pizza. And we are going to try deep dish pizza for the first time ever. We're hungry. We had McDonald's for breakfast and we had McDonald's for lunch. Horrible. Don't judge us. But we're finally going to have our first real meal. First bite.
Well, the sound is going to be horrible, first of all, because it's the sound. Let's see. It's amazing. This place is up close, it's amazing. So,
best pizza in the universe.
right?
That's right. Number one in town, Chicago, baby.
Guys, this pizza was amazing. We waited for 1 hour. How long was it? Like 1 hour and maybe 10 minutes?
No, it was more.
I mean, not for the pizza.
Well, we waited 40 something minutes to get in, and then we waited like another 40 or more inside.
But it was really good.
Yeah.
So total was like 2 hours.
Yeah.
But then we asked them, and they said this is the slowest night.
Yeah. They said it was a super slow night, and that usually the wait is like 3 hours.
That's crazy. We are ready, and this is day 2. This place over here, I want to get out of there. I think we have to go back to the hotel, get our swimsuits, and then come here. The sun hasn't come out yet.
The sun is out, and it's
well, the sun is there.
I don't know what he's talking about. It's sunny. It's hot.
Last time I came, it was so empty. It was perfect. But today, that's gonna take us like an hour and a half at least.
I'm not nervous yet. Floor 103. That's great. It took us how long?
1 hour and 37 minutes to get out here. It was the worst year ever.
Walk in and he's just like,
Oh my gosh.
Here, come back more.
Wait. This is scary.
Are you ready? Don't think about it. We've already done this. Don't think about it.
Is there one on the floor?
Thank you.
Can you sit?
Yeah, can you sit?
Yeah, I can sit.
Can you scoot over?
Hold on.
So scary.
Sorry. Oh my god. Thank you. Oh my god.
Once again, we are doing another line because this is to go down now. In total, we've been up here, well, total, the whole thing, like line, coming up, staying, and now going down. It's been 3 hours, 31 minutes.
I'm done.
3 hours, 31 minutes. We
And
came.
it's so hot in here.
We came like at 10 a.m. and I thought it was gonna be empty. So we're gonna go to the pool now. We're gonna relax. We're gonna go eat something. I don't know how to start. So I'm bringing Susana to one of the best restaurants of Puerto Rico here in the Chicago area. They have this thing, how you call it, bacalaitos. Oh my gosh, they have bacalaitos, they have morcilla, they have empanadilla, they have everything. So
You probably can't hear because of the music in the back.
that's so chill.
That looks weird.
Y mis cuitas de amor son recuerdos del alma. Mira, tomando con la champán. Una tarde oh, me fui. Así extraña nació. Este lugar está bien rico. Bien rico. Panadilla. We finally have the food in here on the table, and I ordered mofongo, which is this. It is made out of plantain, so this is mofongo, and this is carne frita, and just a salad. And Susana ordered the same, and Susana ordered pretty much the same, just with shrimp and some sauce over there. This is so good. Like this restaurant so far, we haven't tried this, but we tried the appetizers. It's so good. So it's a plus. Bonza restaurant here in Chicago, it is a plus.
A lot of drinks, so stay hydrated.
We're gonna take a ride on a boat.
We have men's,
They're
women's,
gonna
and
do a
then also
tour.
there's the black door that's also a bathroom, so everybody.
Stay
like
here. I like it. We needed this moment because we've been walking so much. No kidding. We've been walking for miles. We walked 7 miles today. It was like 6:84 like 10 minutes ago, but we walked from a place here, so I'm guessing it's 7 miles.
Yeah, we're tired, so we're just
really
gonna
tired.
relax the rest of the night.
Perfect. sadly we have to go back home, and this is our last flight back to Salt Lake City. So tomorrow we have to go to work. Sad. I don't want to go. Anyway.
Oh well.
Well, anyway, Susana has the food, and this is how it looks.
We're in a tiny plane.
Yeah, is it worse? It doesn't even have a TV or anything. It doesn't have nothing. Just us two. And some magazines for sure. We have some candies right here, so we're gonna eat, and that's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna fall asleep. I think I'm gonna sleep maybe 1 hour or so.
Yep. But that's it. So thank you for watching.
Bye.